Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to hyperlink in Word. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is have some text in our Word document. Now we need to select the text we want to add a link to. Once we have done that, we need to click on Insert and then on the Link option. This will open a new window where we can choose what we want to link to this text. However, since it's a link, we just need to copy and paste the page link into the address box. We click OK and now we'll see that the text has changed color. And if we hover over it, we'll see that it tells us that if we press the Ctrl key while clicking, it will take us to the link. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.